want to quickly show you how to create your brand voice inside the CRM. The way to get here is go to settings. Within settings, there is an option called brand boards. And if you click on brand boards, you get two things here, design kit and brand voice. Design kit is where you enter your company logo, your company colors, etc. And that is available across the CRM where you design funnels, websites, emails, everywhere. It's available as a choice. So you can easily pick your company colors, logo, etc. What I want to consider today is brand voice. Brand voice it's a very nice feature. Pretty quickly you can generate it. Let me show you what it is so you'll understand better. So you can create a company's brand voice, either start from scratch where you type in different things, or you can use your website URL and then the AI will go and look at your website and create a brand voice for you, which you can edit later. So I'm going to do the website URL setup. Brand voice name, this is my company name, so I'm going to put REIDOC Capital. I say we help doctors invest in apartments. Very simple. Right, I didn't put a lot of things about our brand. And then I'm going to put the website URL here. Right, that's our company website. And then click continue. Now this is going to scroll through the website, and then AI is going to develop a brand voice. So it's going to show here. So it's very simple. It took less than 5 seconds. So brand name is REIDOC Capital, type of business, boutique real estate investment firm specializing in passive multifamily apartment investments. Yeah, I didn't type any of these things. It actually interpreted that from our website, company email, right? And then phone number I can enter, business hours I can enter, right? Those are not in the actual website. Brand communication personality. Again, this is based on my website. Professional, empathetic, trustworthy, and supportive with a focus on clear communication. Target audience, doctors and other high-income professionals. Customer pain points. Again, excellent. I don't know how it came up with all those things. Lack of time and expertise, better investment opportunities, risk of financial exploitation, difficulty balancing demanding medical careers with wealth building, desire for passive income and portfolio diversification without active management. So you get that idea. I just gave my website and it found the target audience, customer pain points, the brand promise, brand values, what actually does a brand do, what makes you better than the competitors. For example, physician-owned and operated boutique firm that deeply understands doctors' unique financial situation, which I don't even think it's in my website, but it's overall general website content tone, it interpreting all those things, and unique selling proposition, risks of inaction, and call to action. So once you develop this brand voice, actually this looks really great. I can enter the company address and other stuff and then save the brand voice, and it will apply across. Say if I use AI to create a social media post, it's going to reference this brand voice. If I use AI to create my website, inside the CRM, it's going to reference the brand voice. And in future, we're going to have a co-pilot-like feature where you're going to use AI every aspect of the CRM, and this brand voice is going to be very important. The other unique thing is you don't even have to use this in the CRM, right? You create this, you cut and paste into ChatGPT or somewhere else, or you can give it to your marketing person, and they understand immediately what your brand voice is, right? It's broken down and simplified. So any kind of marketing person or any AI used outside of the system, you can use this brand voice. So this is an excellent feature and very easy to create. It took me less than 5 seconds to create. I highly recommend you do that as well.